31st celebrates many days together, one of them being the World Music Day. After a successful start of T-Series Mixtape, which is a collaboration on a special web series by T-Series, which will recreate old songs with a fresh new twist, a special evening on World Music Day with Bollywood singers was held at the Hard Rock Cafe, Mumbai, where Arman Malik, Nakash Aziz, Harshdeep Kaur, Prakriti Kakkar, Sukriti, Shirley Setia, Jubin Nautiyal and others were present. Apart from singing their best tunes, the singers also interacted about the power that music has in our lives, and this being one thing that will never end.
मेरे लिए तो नया था. Mr. Bhushan Kumar is a man who said कि आप ये please करिए. Normally हमें habit है, playback singing होती है, 1 2 3 4 होता है. An actor perform on somebody else's vocals. ये पहली बार था कि we had this a complete spray of musicians all over the place playing real band and singers singing live, and हमें multiple cameras से catch up करना था पूरी चीज़ें. It was a new experience, but Abhijit really pulled it off well. He was a great help because सब instruments के used to tell us कि अभी ये बजाने वाला वो बजाने वाला है. So it was a different experience in 23 years of my career. तो ये पहली बार I've got to do something new. तो ये क्या ना, you learn every year, every moment, however old you are. I'm not old enough, but जितना भी आप काम कर लो कुछ नया सीखते हैं. And I'm thankful to Mr. Bhushan Kumar के इन्होंने कुछ नई इजाद की है मेरे लिए, and I enjoyed shooting it.
Let's do something different which is new to everyone. Means instead of just remixing songs, and because recreation जो होती है, it is actually it's a remix of an old song. But this is not a remix. This is a new creation which Abhijit Vagani has done. And why mixtapes? Because we have mixed two songs, not in a medley kind of way पे कि कहीं से भी आपने गाना शुरू किया और ऐसे ही attach कर दिया. It is very well blended कि आपको दो गाने एक लग रहे हैं. So that was the whole idea, and I'm very thankful and to the entire team who is behind it, especially Ahmed Bhai, who's like my brother, and he has worked very hard on it, and he has given the visual to it, which is very real. Because in this kind of soulful music, if you don't get that kind of visual, I don't think you can achieve what we wanted to. So that was the whole idea behind it.
इसमें challenges ऐसे थे कि हर गाने की एक scale होती है, हर गाने के lyrics अलग होते हैं, and tempos are also different. So you know, out of 8,000 songs, we had to shortlist these 17 songs. So it was very difficult for us to do that, but we managed it obviously with the knowledge of so many years and experience and whatever it is. Thankfully, the singers also have really done they've outdone themselves. It's unbelievable.
Appreciating what they have done, ये एक बहुत अच्छा एक endeavor है जो अभिजीत वगानी, शिवम and Sonal have put together with all these talented singers.
So today is World Music Day, and we all here from T-Series as a big family, celebrating music, celebrating the amazing mixtapes that we have come out with. And I thought of mashing up one of two of these songs in a video before T-Series Mixtape came out, and that was Kaun Tujhe and Kuch To Hai.
Big round of applause for T-Series Mixtapes. It's a beautiful venture, it's a beautiful effort, and I love T-Series Mixtapes. Thank you. A big thanks to Shivam, Sonal, Bhushan sir for doing this, making this happen. Thank you so much. Love you all.
T-Series Mixtape में जो आप मेरा गाना सुनेंगे वो शाहिद के साथ ही है. बहुत ही soulful गाना है, and उम्मीद करेंगे कि आप पसंद करेंगे. Special thanks to Bhushan ji, Abhijit Vagani, Shivam and Sonal, Ahmed ji and the entire team. एक बार जोरदार तालियां बजा दो. And all the musicians, सबने इतना खूबसूरत माहौल क्रिएट किया था कि मज़ा आ गया था. So it's a pleasure to be a part of T-Series Mixtape.
Thank you T-Series. Thank you T-Series. Thank you Abhijit Vagani, Sonal and the entire team or everybody who's here present today. आप लोग आए यहाँ पर. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much T-Series Mixtape for celebrating World Music Day in the best way possible. Can we hear it for the entire team? I think we need to make some noise here. And it's so So and itne sare singers, I feel absolutely so proud to be associated with this because it's World Music Day and itne sare singers under the same roof. I think that's the best way to celebrate.
really want to thank Bhushan sir and Shivam, Sonal and Abhijit for this wonderful opportunity. So thank you guys.
Everyone who's worked so very hard, Sonal, Shivam, thank you so much, Bhushanji, and most of all Abhijit for giving us such a wonderful music. So thank you so much everyone, and all of you for being here and making it special for all of us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for being here. Thank you so much, Bhushanji. Thank you to the entire team of T-Series. Thank you.